In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Smartsheet from a template. Smartsheet is a wonderful tool that helps us all manage projects, schedules, and so much more with ease and efficiency. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage its Solution Center to quickly set up a sheet that meets your needs. First things first, head over to the left navigation bar where you will see the Create button, which is conveniently represented by a plus icon. Clicking on this icon will open up Smartsheet's Solution Center. The Solution Center acts as your gateway to a wide selection of templates and creation tools designed to give you a head start on whatever project you're undertaking. With the Solution Center before you, the next step is to choose what type of item you want to create. Whether you're interested in setting up a new sheet, organizing a grid, or kicking off a project, you need to select the appropriate option. Once you've decided on the type of item, click on Browse Templates. This action will lead you to a gallery filled with a variety of templates. Now, here's where the exploration gets fun and customized to your needs. The template gallery is designed to cater to a wide range of interests and requirements. You can narrow down your choices by searching through categories, utilizing specific keywords, or focusing on industry needs. Some excellent examples of available templates include project schedules, content calendars, sales pipelines, HR trackers, among many others. Each template is crafted to streamline different types of workflows and help you manage your tasks effectively. Once you've zeroed in on that perfect template for your needs, the next step is to click on Create Sheet or Use Template. Keep in mind that the exact wording might vary slightly depending on the template or the updates Smartsheet may have implemented, but the basic process remains the same. Selecting this option will generate a brand new sheet based on the template you chose, providing you with a structured format you can further customize to your specific requirements. Finally, after creating your new sheet, you'll find it in a designated location. It will either appear in your current workspace or be placed in your personal Sheets folder. This depends on where you initiated the creation process. Make sure to confirm where exactly it lands, as this will affect how you access and share it moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Smartsheet from a template, making your project management journey smoother and more organized. As you work with your new sheet, remember to explore further customization options Smartsheet offers, including sharing abilities and integrations, to ensure it fully serves your purpose. Happy planning and organizing with your new Smartsheet setup.